Here's the space before and the same home after it was carefully redesigned. Most homeowners who do online live selling face this exact problem. There's too much storage, products are everywhere, and the home slowly turns into a stockroom. This is a real design for one of our clients, transformed into a modern contemporary home with a touch of industrial. So the solution focuses on organizing storage properly, creating clear zones, and choosing the right furniture, supporting daily living. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In this before photo, the living area is unplanned. The problem is the TV area has random placements and there is still no clear seating. The goal is simple. You should be able to relax, watch TV, and entertain guests comfortably. Since the space already has good finishes, the design moves forward by adding a strong wall statement. The matte gray panels and vertical wood slats are introduced to add texture and height, highlighted by vertical LED strip lighting, so the room feels taller and more defined. Now you can add a curved upholstered sofa, which softens movement, so walking paths stay open and natural. This is layered with light throw pillows to further soften the curved sofa and add comfort. You might go for a round coffee table with slim black legs. It keeps movement smooth and visually light while still giving enough surface for small items. A round patterned rug sits under both the sofa and coffee table. This clearly defines the living area even in an open layout. For lighting and style, a large wall art with a slim picture light is installed to balance the wall visually. Then a floor lamp beside the sofa provides warm lighting for evening use. Moving on to the entertainment area. You might consider a custom TV partition designed to divide the living area and the adjacent zone. The partition works as a double-sided feature with an open shelving unit with LED lighting, closed storage below, and at the center, a rotating TV panel system that allows the TV to turn between the living and back areas. Decor on the TV partition is kept controlled using sculptural ceramic vases and a few small items, so you get a display that feels styled. Now you get a living area that feels cleaner and more functional, from seating to TV area. You can achieve this redesign for approximately $3,100 to $3,400, and similar items are available in the product tags. This dining area felt confusing. It had a table, shelves, and lighting, but you couldn't fully enjoy eating, working, or hosting. So the goal is to maximize a small dining zone by creating clear circulation, proper spacing, and strong visual focus. The combination of a flat and slatted accent wall in a soft, warm gray tone keeps the dining area calm and modern. A rectangular dining table with a solid black base is used because you need stability in a small space. You can pair it with upholstered dining chairs with black metal frames. You can pull the chairs in and out easily without blocking circulation. A slim linear pendant light is added because you need focused light on the table. The abstract wall art with a slim picture light balances the strong vertical wall panels. You can also add indoor plants to soften the space. Placing them near the wall feature keeps the corners active. A dual-layer roller blind controls natural light without adding visual weight. With the right wall treatment, furniture size, and proper lighting, your small dining space finally works the way it should. You can achieve this setup for about $2,230 to $2,530. Everything in this kitchen felt stressful. You had storage, small appliances, and prep all fighting for the same surface. The client wants to turn this into a coffee and bar counter, while still keeping a proper prep and storage counter in one clean, continuous line. Let's start with the prep and storage counter. The countertop and backsplash use light quartz tiles, so your prep area instantly feels brighter and cleaner. You can pair this with push-to-open base cabinets in warm greige, which offers enough storage for daily use. It also includes a custom pull-out pet feeding drawer for the client's dogs, which stays hidden when not in use. To maintain a clean look, keep the counter styled with only small decor and everyday essentials. Next, the upper cabinets use the same material finish, but with glass door storage with LED lighting for daily items, and an open shelf below is dedicated to small appliances. You can reach them easily while keeping the main counter organized. For the added bar and coffee counter, you can use vertical storage featuring drawer storage below for hidden items, a foldable table so you can open it when needed and fold it back after use. And above, the upper wine display with lighting keeps bottles accessible while also doubling as a strong design feature. A dedicated counter setup keeps all coffee items and glasses in one place. You can choose bar stools with wood seats and slim metal legs, which provide comfortable seating while keeping the space visually light. The refrigerator becomes part of the overall design, helping the prep and bar area feel cleaner and more intentional. You can further maximize the space by adding custom understair storage with a mirrored door, turning unused space into hidden storage while also making the area feel bigger and brighter. To finish the setup, install track lighting so you can aim each light directly at the counter, bar, and storage. The dual-layer roller blinds are also used here, so you get proper light control during the day. Even in a small home, you end up with a bar and prep area that feels organized, flexible, and designed around how you live. Before, this corner was filled with open racks and bags, but nothing had a clear place. What this area needs is a live selling setup that looks clean, premium, and camera ready. This wall uses a light concrete finish texture, giving subtle industrial vibes. Install vertical wood slats on part of the wall, which creates a clear background for selling. Next is the full-height glass display cabinet with warm LED backlighting, so the products you're selling, like bags, stay organized, protected, and clearly visible on camera. A compact work desk with drawers is placed at the center, paired with an ergonomic swivel chair. This setup gives you a functional workspace and keeps you comfortable during long working hours. Near the door, you can add a wooden hook rail to keep frequently used items organized and easy to grab. Then, a medium indoor plant with a neutral pot softens the space, balances the hard finishes. Black track lighting is installed to give you better light control. Next is the integrated console area. A backlit rectangular mirror and floating console is added on the side wall. This provides a practical surface for small plants and accessories, while the mirror reflects light and makes the area feel wider. Hang full-height neutral fabric curtain to keep the background calm and professional. Now, you get a live studio that works, looks clean on camera, and still respects your living space. This is how you maximize a small zone with a total estimated cost of $2,350 to $2,550. This is how you maximize space, keep things clean, and still enjoy a comfortable home. You don't need to add more rooms, so you focus on smarter and more intentional plan. And if this is the kind of solution you're looking for, this is exactly what professional architectural interior design can do for your space. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.